Hey guys, in today's video we are playing with Minnie Mouse's microwave, and we also have some Play-Doh surprise eggs. We're going to put them in this magic Minnie Mouse microwave and see what Play-Doh surprises we are gonna get. Let's start with this green Play-Doh egg. Ooh, what did we get in this one? We got a chubby puppy. It's so cute. Let's try this one.
Cooking together is so much fun.
We got a hatchimal collectible. And it looks like the turtles. It's a birdle with pretty sparkly wings. Let's try the next one.
I sure am hungry.
Ooh, we got a Shimmer and Shine mini toy. I'm not really sure what the monkey's name is, but if you know his name, leave him in the comments below. Let's try this sparkly blue egg.
Cooking together is so much fun.
We got another Shimmer and Shine toy. This one looks like it is shine. Let's try this pink Play-Doh egg.
I love making healthy snacks. Yummy.
We got a lalaloopsy minifigure. She's got a little spider on her apron, looks like. I'm not sure what her name is either. If you know her name, go ahead and leave me a comment below. Let's try this yellow Play-Doh egg.
Come on, let's make a treat together. Oh, the snacks are ready.
Oh, how pretty! We got a crystal pet. It looks like it's maybe a hedgehog. How pretty! It's very sparkly. Let's try this blue Play-Doh egg.
Cooking together is so much fun. Time to enjoy our treats.
Oh, looks like we've got a mermaid figure. And she's sitting on a rock with some starfish. All right, let's try this purple Play-Doh egg.
Isn't this fun? Time to eat.
Oh, we got another Shimmer and Shine one. This one looks like it's Leah. And she has a pretty, looks like a star on the side. Let's try this green one.
I sure am hungry. What a wonderful smell.
got a Trolls mini, and it is Lady Glitter Sparkles. And look, she has some cute little skates on. Let's try our next Play-Doh surprise.
I love making healthy snacks. Yummy!
We got a twosie. What a cute twosie, and it has an elephant on its head. Hello! All right, let's see what we got inside our last Play-Doh surprise egg.
Come on, let's make a treat together. Oh, the snacks are ready.
We got a Doc McStuffins. How pretty does she look? And these are all the little minifigures that we got today using Minnie's Magic Microwave and Play-Doh surprise eggs. Shimmer and shine. Whoa! Where are you at, Shimmer? I'm right here, Shine. Aren't they so cute? And a hatchimal. And these little chubby puppies are so cute.
See you later.
And of course, some little twozies. Oh, look, and their heads come off. There we go. And some lalaloopsy mini. And Doc McStuffins. This pretty little crystal pet. And of course, Lady Glitter Sparkles. And our pretty little mermaid. Don't forget, guys, if you enjoyed our video, make sure you like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye!